If you've been in the garden long enough, you already know this feeling. You walk out one morning, look at your plants, and something just feels off. The greens aren't as green, the leaves look tired, growth seems frozen in time. You water them, but nothing changes. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not a bad gardener. You're simply dealing with the most common nutrient problem in home gardens: nitrogen deficiency. Nitrogen is the backbone of lush leaf growth, vibrant color, and strong stems. When it runs low, your plants send distress signals fast. But the good news, restoring nitrogen doesn't require store-bought fertilizer, chemical boosters, or expensive products. You can make fast-acting, fully organic liquid nitrogen fertilizers at home, using materials you already have around you. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact methods I use here on SoilSage Chronicles. Methods that beginners can master instantly and that seasoned gardeners respect for their reliability. These formulas work quickly, build long-term soil fertility, and cost almost nothing. And yes, the results can be dramatic. Let's dive in. Before we get into the recipes, it helps to understand why nitrogen is constantly slipping through your fingers. Nitrogen fuels chlorophyll production, the pigment that gives leaves their deep green color and powers photosynthesis. It's also essential for leafy growth and root development. But nitrogen is also highly mobile in soil. Water from rainfall or irrigation washes it downward, deeper than roots can reach. This is why even good soil can run low, and why your plants may look hungry even when everything else seems right. Chemical fertilizers can force a quick fix, but they do it at a cost. They push plants into fast, unnatural growth while damaging the delicate microbial web that feeds long-term soil health. Once soil microbes collapse, your garden becomes dependent on synthetic fertilizers, much like a plant on life support. Organic liquid fertilizers work differently. They nourish soil life first, allowing microbes to unlock nutrients naturally and feed plants slowly, steadily, and safely. That's the SoilSage way, building the soil so the soil builds the plant. If there is one recipe every gardener should learn by heart, it's the green leaf elixir. This is my go-to remedy whenever I see fading leaves or sluggish growth, and it remains one of the most effective nitrogen sources you can make at home. The magic comes from fresh green materials: comfrey, nettles, borage, or even freshly cut grass. These plants are naturally high in nitrogen, and when you ferment them, you release that nitrogen into a form plants can absorb quickly. To make it, simply fill a bucket about 2/3 full with chopped green material and cover it with water. Rainwater is ideal because it doesn't contain the minerals and chlorine that sometimes slow microbial activity. Once filled, let it sit outside in a quiet corner for, about 2 to 4 weeks. Each time you stir, you help oxygen slip into the mix, speeding up the breakdown. During fermentation, the liquid grows darker and richer as nitrogen, potassium, and minerals dissolve into the water. At the end, just strain out the solids and keep the concentrated liquid. It's strong stuff, so, dilute it 1 part concentrate to 10 parts water before feeding your plants. What I love about this elixir is that it gives plants a strong but gentle push. You won't scorch roots or send your plants into shock. Instead, you'll see gradual but noticeable improvements. Greener leaves, stronger stems, and faster top growth. My leafy greens respond almost immediately, and so will yours. If you're the kind of gardener who enjoys shortcuts that actually work, legume water is going to feel like a gift. Each time you soak beans, lentils, or chickpeas overnight, the water becomes cloudy with proteins and minerals, many of them rich in nitrogen. Don't pour this liquid down the drain, pour it on your plants. Unlike the fermented leaf elixir, legume water doesn't need dilution. It's mild enough to use directly but strong enough for plants to recognize its value right away. I especially like using it on seedlings, young transplants, and houseplants because it gives them a gentle helping hand during their establishment stage. It may seem too simple, but trust me, plants respond. The soil microbes love the protein, and within a few days you'll notice brighter, more vigorous growth. This is a true zero-waste fertilizer, and once you start using it, you'll never look at soaking water the same way again. Now let's talk about a recipe that feels almost magical: FPJ, or Fermented Plant Juice. This method comes from Korean natural farming, a system of soil-centered growing that I hold in very high regard. FPJ uses the youngest, fastest-growing plant tips, like chickweed, sweet potato vines, comfrey tips, and fast herbs, plants that are just packed with growth enzymes, hormones, and amino acids. Early morning is honestly the best time to harvest because that's when the plant juices are most concentrated and vibrant. Once you've gathered your material, just chop it up finely, weigh it, and then combine it with an equal weight of brown sugar. The sugar draws out the plant juices and at the same time fuels all those beneficial microbes. After about 7 to 10 days in a cool, dark spot, you'll have a really potent liquid. Unlike the green leaf elixir, FPJ is extremely concentrated. You'll want to dilute it anywhere from 1 part FPJ to 500 or even 1,000 parts water. But don't let that dilution fool you. It's still really powerful. FPJ improves root strength, boosts nutrient absorption, and energizes soil microbes. Using it just once a month is honestly more than enough. This is the fertilizer I turn to when I want to improve soil vitality, not just plant health. It works quietly beneath the soil surface, building long-lasting fertility that chemical fertilizers can never match. So many gardeners just toss out kitchen water without ever realizing its hidden value. Water from rinsing rice, washing vegetables, or even boiling eggs actually contains dissolved minerals and mild proteins that soil organisms absolutely adore. Egg boiling water is especially helpful for fruiting vegetables mainly because of its calcium content. It really helps prevent blossom end problems in tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. Rice water, on the other hand, adds gentle nutrients while encouraging microbial activity. Just use these waters fresh, at room temperature, and pour them right at the base of your plants. It's simple, effective, and honestly, it's part of a beautiful cycle that turns household waste into garden nutrition. There are moments in every gardener's season when a plant needs urgent revival, after transplant shock, unexpected heat, or nutrient collapse. When I need fast results, I reach for the 48-hour SUPERCHARGE formula. I mix equal parts green leaf elixir and legume water. For every 10 liters of this combo, I add 1 tablespoon of FPJ. After stirring, I let it rest loosely covered in a shaded spot for 2 days. In this short time, microbes multiply explosively, predigesting nutrients into highly available forms. After 48 hours, the mixture is ready to use without any dilution. Apply it to struggling plants or to new planting beds to give them a strong, immediate foundation. This formula works shockingly fast. You can expect greener leaves and, honestly, stronger growth within just a few days. Even the best fertilizer can only do so much if applied at the wrong time. Leafy greens love nitrogen and, really benefit from consistent feedings every 2 weeks. Seedlings thrive when given small weekly doses of legume or kitchen water. Fruiting vegetables prefer nitrogen early on, but then transition to more potassium as they begin setting fruit. Houseplants, which are often neglected, appreciate feeding every 3 to 4 weeks with legume water and a lightly diluted FPJ boost once a month. But the real secret? Observation. Watch your plants. They speak through color, leaf shape, and growth rate. Pale leaves, stunted new shoots, or invisible progress are all signs that it's time to feed again. Gardening is communication, and these fertilizers help you answer your plant's needs gently and naturally. Organic liquid nitrogen fertilizers are more than simple garden hacks. They are long-term tools for building stronger soil, deeper roots, and more resilient plants. Every method I've shared here for SoilSage Chronicles turns everyday materials into valuable plant food, naturally, sustainably, and affordably. If this guide helped you, or if you want more practical real-world gardening wisdom, please subscribe to SoilSage Chronicles on YouTube and share this article with fellow growers. Let's keep building healthier soil and growing thriving gardens, season after season. If this guide helped you, or if you want more practical real-world gardening wisdom, please subscribe to SoilSage Chronicles on YouTube and share this article with fellow growers. Let's keep building healthier soil and growing thriving gardens, season after season.